Hi, I'm Scott Troyer from A Few Small Fish, and today we'll be showing you how to put together our fishing rod rack. Welcome to the assembly guide for the fishing rod rack. In this video, we'll walk you through the assembly process step by step, and by the end, your rack will be ready to organize and display your fishing gear. Before getting started, let's take a look at the components included with your fishing rod rack. You'll find one 3-inch top support, one 2-inch bottom support, a cutout top panel, a lower shelf with holes, bottom board, 2 footboards, and 2 sideboards. Also included are 2 locking casters, 2 non-locking casters, 16 half-inch screws, and 25 1 1/8 inch screws. For assembly, you'll need a Phillips screwdriver, which is not included. Take a moment to verify that all parts are present and lay everything out in a clean workspace before beginning assembly. Now let's get started. Step 1 is assembling the upper section of the rack. Align the cutout top panel with the 3-inch top support and secure them together using 3 of the 1 1/8 inch screws. Make sure the pieces are properly aligned before tightening the screws completely. Next, we'll assemble the lower section. Attach the lower shelf to the 2-inch bottom support using 3 1 1/8 inch screws. Now install the bottom board to the bottom support using 1 1 1/8 inch screws. Before securing it in place, make sure the holes on the bottom board are facing away from the support panel. With those components assembled, it's time to attach them to the sideboard. Position the lower shelf and bottom board against the side panel and secure them using 4 1 1/8 inch screws. Next, attach the top assembly to that same sideboard using 3 1 1/8 inch screws. Once everything is aligned, repeat the process on the opposite side to complete the main frame of the rack. With the frame assembled, carefully flip the rack upside down. Attach the 2 footboards to the bottom board using 4 1 1/8 inch screws. Now it's time to install the casters. Attach the locking caster and 1 non-locking caster to each foot using the included 1/2 inch screws. Once installed, check that the casters rotate freely and that the locking casters engage properly. Assembly of the fishing rod rack is now complete. It's just one final step. Buy enough fishing rods to fill it. If you've also purchased the optional accessory holder, continue watching for assembly instructions. Let's take a look at the parts included with the accessory holder. You'll receive an accessory board, 1 line spooler, 3 1 7/8 inch screws and 2 3/8 inch screws. You also need a Phillips screwdriver for assembly. To begin, unpack the line spooler and place it onto the lower portion of the accessory board. Once positioned correctly, secure the line spooler to the accessory board using the 2 3/8 inch screws. With the spooler attached, move to the fishing rod rack. Locate the mounting position on the side of the rack and remove the previously installed 1 1/8 inch screws. Position the assembled accessory board over those same mounting holes. Using the included 1 7/8 inch screws, secure the accessory board to the rack. Your accessory holder is now fully assembled and attached to the fishing rod rack. Load up your fishing line, tools, tackle, and other accessories. Organize your gear and enjoy your new fishing rod rack.